Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I consider myself blessed. Most of my subscribers, and I hope eventually all of my subscribers, I do not call subscribers, I call them friends. Beth Ramsden is just that. She is a good friend in Scotland. Never met her face to face, but we share emails and we've done a lot of collabs together. Thank you, Beth. Be sure to visit Beth's channel. Right now this is day 4 of our 5 days of Christmas, where we have one crochet hook in our first video on Monday. Tuesday, we did 2 knitting needles, 3 inches of fabric, and today is 4 snaps to hold it. Please forgive my fingernails. It's been a very busy week. And I'd like to show you this little coat that I made, and I'm showing it on my little mannequin, Vicky, because she has short hair and it just shows it better. And this is made with fleece, and well, they're both fleece, but the one is a little, it's like fake fur, but really short. This is how I draw around my pattern in the window. This is just copy paper. You can use anything. And I take my end piece, take the flat edges to the edge, and then I write on here what it is. I don't need this hood to make for Blythe, but I'm cutting it out because I'm gonna put this pattern up under Barbie. It's a Barbie, or 11.5-inch fashion doll pattern. This is the pattern I'll be using to make a fleece coat for my Blythe doll. It's a McCall M6258, and I showed you how I went around the pieces of the pattern, drawing them out, and then I mark each piece. And what I do is after I use these, I will pin them together inside my Barbie notebook, and I will have these again for whatever doll I use them for. I say Barbie, 11.5-inch fashion doll. But I make sure that I get the pattern number on here so that if I need to glance back at what they are or back to the instructions, which I'll be honest, they don't do instructions like they used to, so these are pretty useless. Normally I don't pin down my trim when I sew it, but I did this. And if you'll notice on my black fleece, I've got a lot of shedding, and I'll show you how to deal with that after I get the coat together. But what I'm doing is the long pins. Oh, this is my needle and thread because I'm going to gather the back of the Blythe hood by hand, because that's going to take a lot of bringing down to go around that small space. But this is how I am pinning it. I am using my hands and eyes to make sure I have it even on both sides. And because this is fur and black and white, I am using the Rookie Zigzag stitch because it gives a wider reach in case your fur is off on the other side. Okay, so while sewing my fake fur onto my little coat, it got we're going to call them hairs. This is how dog people and cat show people used to do it before the rollers came out, which was a copy of this. And you just roll tape over your hand and pat anywhere you want hair off, dog hair or whatever, this type of hair off of something, and it doesn't leave a sticky residue behind. Oh, that might be one of my own hairs. And you can you hear my cameraman laughing at me? And you just pull that off all the way around your little fleece coat. There's another little piece. I want to get it all, but I don't want to bore you silly. And there you go, all that little hair. Now, if this sheds and you get that again, you just use the tape again. I'm pretty proud of my little coat. I like that the back has the more form-fitting pieces to it. And that's my little 4 snaps will hold it. Thank you to Beth Ramsden. Be sure to go by her channel and watch all of the 4 days of Christmas we have done already, and be sure to come by tomorrow and see the 5 golden rings. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.